This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Privacy or Security to reach App Lock or App Encryption. You need your existing device lock PIN or password to authenticate. This is why you should have it ready. Once authenticated, locate the app whose hiding password you want to change. Vivo groups encrypted apps under a single list. Make sure the app is listed and unlocked temporarily so you can update its hiding password. This is the first actionable change. With the app selected, tap Change Hiding Password or Modify Access, and the system will prompt for the current hiding password. Enter it to proceed. Next, input a new hiding password and confirm it by typing it a second time. This prevents mistakes. If Vivo offers alternate methods, choose between PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for quicker access. Once done, the phone will save the new hiding credential. Make sure to test it immediately to verify you can open the hidden app. Finish by testing the hidden app's opening with the new hiding password. This confirms success. If the new credential fails, use your device lock PIN to recover or reset app lock. Vivo allows recovery through the main security lock. If recovery options do not work, back up the app data and settings, then perform reset procedures or contact Vivo support for guided recovery. Remember, change passwords carefully and store them in a secure manager so you avoid repeated lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.